In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to Squarespace. This tutorial is designed to guide you seamlessly through the process, making it as easy and straightforward as possible. Custom fonts can be a fantastic way to personalize your website and give it that unique flair, perfectly aligning with your brand's look and feel. Let's begin by heading over to your Squarespace site. First, you'll want to navigate to your site title. To do this, log into Squarespace and you'll find your site title at the top of the dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a menu where we can start making adjustments. Next, once you're in your site settings, click on the Home button. Think of Home as the central hub for managing every aspect of your site. From here, it's important we get to the right section where we can add our custom fonts. Now click on the website option. This section encompasses the essentials of your site's design and functionality. It's where you can really start to customize the way your site looks and behaves, including the fonts used throughout. Continuing from here, what you need to do is click on the Pages option. This is where all your site's content is organized, but for the purpose of this tutorial, it's just a stepping stone to reach our next destination. You should now be in a position to click on Custom Code. This might sound intimidating if you're new to coding, but worry not. The Custom Code section is where you can implement additional CSS to enhance your site's design, and adding custom fonts is a breeze once you know where to go. From the Custom Code section, you'll see an option for Custom CSS. Click on that, and you're nearing the finish line. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is used to format the layout of web pages, and this is where styles, such as fonts, are defined. Within the Custom CSS section, spot an option labeled Custom Files. Click on it. This feature allows you to upload font files directly to Squarespace, which you can then reference in your site's style sheet. Once your custom font files are uploaded, click on Highlight. This action ensures that your changes are recognized, allowing you to see them in action on your site. Finally, be sure to click on Save. Saving your changes is absolutely crucial, otherwise all your work would be lost if you leave the page. After saving, your custom fonts should now be live on your Squarespace website, giving it a fresh, personalized look tailored specifically to your brand. And there you have it. Adding custom fonts to Squarespace really can be effortless with the right guidance. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to elevating the design of your site with unique and expressive typography.